In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keys and controls on a keyboard. If you want to remap a key so it performs a different function, one of the easiest ways to do it on Windows is by using Microsoft's official PowerToys app. This is a reliable option because it's made by Microsoft and designed specifically for customization tools like keyboard remapping. To get started, open your Windows Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and press Enter. Once the store opens, click into the search bar at the top, type Microsoft PowerToys, and then select Install. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment to download and finish setting up. After the installation is complete, open PowerToys from your Start menu. When the app launches, look to the menu on the left side and click Keyboard Manager. In some versions, this may appear under the Input section, so just look for the keyboard remapping tool there. Once you're in the right place, turn the toggle switch to On. This enables the feature so PowerToys can start managing your custom key changes. Next, click the Edit option to begin creating a remap. In the window that appears, click the plus icon to add a new key swap. You'll now see two main columns. Under the Trigger column, choose the physical key you want to change. This is the key you actually press on your keyboard. Under the Action column, choose the key you want that button to behave like instead. When you've set both sides correctly, click OK in the top right corner to save and apply your new layout. Your keyboard should now respond using the new mapping right away. If something doesn't feel right, you can always return to the same Keyboard Manager section and adjust the remap later. This makes it easy to test different layouts until you find one that feels comfortable and efficient for the way you work.